Hey guys, this is Isley, Sport Fanatic, and today my the valve on my toilet bowl is like keep leaking. You can hear the water running all night. So today I'm gonna replace this silent fill valve right here. So it look kind of old. So yeah, and I just bought one new one from Home Depot. This one called Genuine Parts. It's called silent fill valve kit. And then you get all the part number and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this new one to this old one. So first thing I'm gonna do here is turn off the water, right? Turn off the water right here. Okay. I'm gonna flush all the water out. So that's good, yeah. Still a lot of water in there, see? So get the cup and then get all the local water out. Down in the bucket right here. Because I don't, you turn off the water when you unscrew the valve. It will be all over the floor. So I don't get much out of the clean. See? So now the first thing to do is unscrew the little plastic cover right here to loosen the valve, so we can take the valves out. So I guess should be yeah, right there. See, unscrew it. Let me see. Okay, so unscrew this one. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna unscrew the piece right here to loosen the. Let's see that. So now So now I'm gonna use this groove applier and loosen the plastic thing right underneath this toilet. So let me see. Yeah, want to lose the plastic one right here, so we can remove the old valve, right? So there, yeah, right here. Too big. There you go. Look at that. See, move the whole valve out. Come on, baby. Yeah. There you go. Okay, so now we move this thing out of here. The plastic water connect from the valve to here to fill the bowl up. It should be easy to move. There you go. The water leak out. I put a towel right there. Put that right there. Okay. See, silent fill valve kit. So just open it from the top. Here, right there. Okay, so I think the rubber thing right here so the water don't leak out, right? And then right here, using the same. Where is and here's the plastic cover and all these little pins and little plastic right. I don't know what that's for, but yeah. So it's right here. Just gonna drop it down. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so we And here's the plastic thing you want to screw it right in, and from the bottom. Yeah, the bottom like this. Yep. So let's put this into it. Let's put this puppy place with a new one. The one came with the valve kit. So there's a whole kit, right? Okay. Then this. Okay, this. So now connect the water line to the valve. The line. So right here, so you can see better. Right there. You're gonna put it right there. Right. Yeah, right there. And then we tie it up with this plastic thing cup. See, tie it up nice and tight. So water won't leak out. Okay, a little bit of wet. So get a towel, grab the plastic, nice and tight, so water don't leak out. Right. Use the groove applier and tighten up a little bit. So tight this. You want it tight, you don't want it too tight, right? To make sure it's tight enough so the water don't leak out. Because the water will be sitting in the bowl, 24/7, 365. So make sure it's grab it nice and tight, right? Turn slowly. Because there's not enough space, not enough room to maneuver around here. So we don't want to break the plastic. Oh, we don't want. Yeah. See. That's tight enough. Oh yeah, it's tight enough. Pretty tight. But one more turn. Give it one more turn. Make sure it's still. Okay. And it's nice and tight now, right? So now this white tape to tape around and make sure it's tight. So just wrap around it, like that. It's easy so it can wrap easier to turn around. Just wrap it around see all the grips right around it, so make sure it's nice and tight. So no water leak out. Get it and apply more tape to it. Just minute. Okay. I think that should be good enough, right? Okay, and then now tighten this up. Make sure it's tight. Just turn it clockwise to tighten to counter. When you lose it, then just do counterclockwise. So I'm gonna do it. Okay. But tighter, all the way tight. So when you get a little closer, like how you do the turn, right? You tighten it up, so you just you wear gloves, or you grab like a towel, so you have a better grip to turn, to tighten it up. So that's right there. I think it's okay. So now this should be nice and tight already. The only thing left to do is to connect the rubber to this water. So just stick into the, you see the little hole right there, just make sure it's not tight. Because you don't want this rubber thing to like come loose, and then every time you flush the toilet, the water will go just shoot straight out to the rubber line right there, and then shoot over the bowl and then leak out to the floor. So yep, should be nice and tight now. So let's yep, so see the water running. Just feel right here, see. I don't feel no water leaking out. So is it good? Even feel the little water line right here. Nothing, water's here nice and dry. So let it fill up and let the, see, you see that? So the water it fill up already. About, I would say, half of a bowl. Let's see. So there's no sign of it's nice and tight right here. So let's do a test flush, right? See what it will bring up. Okay. Good. And then if you want, more water, then you just you see right here, a little. You can I can turn this little plastic clock, or let me see. I think you turn maybe clockwise to make it higher. Yeah. So you want this little black thing floating, that if you want to be a little bit high, then you turn clockwise, right? So if you want more water. See right there. So the water fill a little bit more, but if you think you got too much water in the bowl, then you turn counterclockwise to move the bobber, lower the bobber, so there be less water into the bowl. But you want more water, then you will turn clockwise. You want less, then you turn counterclockwise. On the valve right here, the little, yeah, you can use the Phillips screwdriver to do, but it's not that hard. Just use your hand and turn. So yeah, so the water is a little bit higher. That's because you want too much, or you want too little. Just be like medium, right in the middle. So yeah, so yep. So there is that's how you replace a fill valve for the toilet bowl. The valve called valve, but so it's so that's how you replace the valve. And this valve you can buy. I bought it from Home Depot for $20. It's only for the whole thing, the line, the rubber water line, and the valve. $20, not bad. So hopefully, so at night when you're sleeping, you don't hear the water leaking or running all night no more. Well, hopefully you like what I show you, and if somebody have some feedback or some advice, please just my Isley Sport channel, just give me a comment or feedbacks. I truly appreciate it. If you like it, give me a go in and subscribe, give me a like. Thank you guys.